This is just a quick video to show how to install OneSat properly on an iPhone. So the first thing is you need to be using the Safari browser to start with. In Safari, you go to onesat.sh. Once you're here, you press this button down the bottom, and which is the share button, and you don't add to bookmark. What you want to do is add to home screen. So you click that, and then it'll come up with the little logo and that sort of thing, and you click add, and yeah, it'll appear there. So you can go and put that where you want, and that's how you can make sure that it's running properly. So you know, it won't have the web address and all that down the bottom, and it'll look like you're just running a regular app. So we'll just quickly log in here, and just make sure it all works. Oh, you can see my password. That's all right. I'll change that. There we are.